First time that car has moved in 7 years.
This storm is coming fast.
That's when this main line starts to pattern.
Clouds are moving fast.
We're selling it!
I'm Chris Meyer. Join me and the Legendary Customs team as we take ordinary rides and craft them into legendary customs.
Hey everybody, Chris with Legendary Customs based out of La Crosse, Wisconsin. Thank you so much for joining us. This vehicle has been in a long-term waiting pattern and we have it in, we have started. After this one, this is a quick in and out job. After this one, we have another vehicle that has been waiting for a long time to get in. And our schedule is just getting to the point to get them in. So I'm extremely happy. The guys are doing awesome. Let's talk about this car. This is the iconic 1969 Corvette Stingray with the big 427 engine. This car has a tremendous amount of nostalgia for the family. A lot of memories in it, a lot of reasons why they purchased the car, a lot of reasons why they're fixing it up. What we're in here for this trip is very simple. Check the engine compression, put in new spark plugs, make sure the brakes stop the vehicle, new air cleaner. We ended up having to put in new points along with a new coil, other ignition problems. Fix the windshield wipers. There were no arms in there, so we ordered those. One of the vacuum switches was totally broken up, so ordered one of those. But basically, why this car is in here this trip is to get it roadworthy. So Kent can take it out, have a ball with it all summer long, and then our first opening to have a full restoration when it opens and becomes available, we will bring it in and take this car to the next level, a full, true factory-like restoration. All right, 1969 Corvette in the house. You see all these tools and stuff here. Should have probably filmed it. The points were bad, the coil, and we just replaced all the ignition, and here we go. Camera shy. Alright, as you can see, it's nice and dusty. We're going to wash it, we're going to take it upstairs, and we are going to put this bad boy through its paces to make sure it's safe to be out on the road. Alright, on its first drive, upstairs. First time that car has moved in 7 years. We're going to start with washing it, obviously. And we'll get it into the shop and do the due diligence of getting this thing ready to be on the road so Kent and his family can enjoy it and they can have fun. And to be put into forever documented history. There's the bullet or the arrow hole from storage. (1969) Corvette, and yes, the famous 427. Iconic car, iconic motor, all around iconic drivetrain. This was the second C3 Corvette. C3 is the third generation. Awesome. Get it into the shop after it's cleaned up and get it through the paces. So if you were watching this and you want to see another iconic Corvette totally restored here at Legendary Customs, this is going to be the next Corvette. Now, this round, it is in just to get it road safe, get it through the summer, and then as soon as our schedule opens up, we will get it in, and it will be a full, true restoration back to factory original. So this is stage 1 of 2 that we're going to be doing on this car, and basically it's just to get the car to the point where the family can enjoy it and actually put a boatload of miles on it and have some fun. And there's a difference already. This will be buffed and polished. All that good jazz. All right, this is the way it's supposed to look. Dust and dirt from sitting 8 years. The last move, and before that, I am told up to 10 years. So this thing, it's been on the road, on and off, but in the last 15, 16, 17 years, it has been just sitting more than anything. So here it is. This is what we're going to go through. These front bumpers, we were going to get new ones. I think we're going to look at those a little closer. Those don't look that bad. Let's check out the rear bumpers. Yeah, they're a little bit, the chrome has little tiny lines in it. That's what happens when they just start to first break down. We'll polish those up. The new ones I ordered, they're freaking on back order right now for 3 months for the ones made in the United States. 3 months. All right. The inside actually is pretty doggone nice. Wait a minute. Oh, there's water in here. So the T-tops might leak. We'll have to check that out. Awesome car. First car in my entire life that I remember asking my dad, "Dad, what is that car?" And it was a C3 Corvette. That'd be 1968 through 1982. They all had similar body styles. If you look real close right here, it's a little bit wavy. That's one of the bonding strips putting the front nose on. That is very common. Just shows me that more than likely this car has never been in a front end accident. This thing's going to be awesome. All right, it's clean. Now we have to get it into the shop, do the compression check, check all of the liquids, get it in.
All right, so just gonna take a moment. Mike's been working on this Corvette. I don't know if Chris has actually spoke about this Corvette, a sharp looking car. It's a gentleman he went to high school with. It's his vehicle and it is in the shop. Basically just getting gone over the brakes, the wiring, the fluids, all of the, just to make sure it is safe. It's been stored for quite some time, is my understanding. And anyhow, Mike has been working on this one and was actually chasing a wiring issue earlier, or for a good portion of the afternoon, just to find out that somebody had gone into the dash and unplugged things. So
In Eau Claire around 6-7 p.m. Main wind risk is going to stay south of I-94. Could see still a couple of spin-ups with tornadoes within that line, but the tornado risk.
if you look over there, it's looking a bit sketchy. Our daughter's over in Rochester, and there is tornado warnings in the whole 9 yards. So we got a little wind going on here, as you might see, and we need to get this damn test drive going on.
All right, you want to come with Kathy Meyer and we'll go down the highway before the rain hits and then be back here? Awesome. All right. It's coming. Oh, no brakes! No brakes!
Such a smart ass.
Excellent oil pressure. About 40, 45 pounds. Charging on the alternator, that's good. Fuel, I put 12 gallons in, so halfway is right about where it is. Temperature's working the way it should. It's raining right there.
Oh my god, it is. Oh, here we are. And that was not planned. Oh, yeah. Well, she's getting a bath. And we're stop. Oh my god. Oh, it's not. Oh, they work.
They never worked before.
Man, this is coming fast.
That's the only reason I noticed.
Okay, come on.
I don't have a pen.
And it's going down.
1/4 inch nut I'll put in there.
This is... Oh, it's getting sketchy. And this is coming fast and hard. Look how fast it's coming. Yeah, look at it over there. These clouds are moving fast. Wind is picking up. Okay, we're out.
The C3 Corvette, which is 1968 through 1982, is the very first car as a child that I remember asking my father, what is that? And it's this, the body lines in the hood, the body lines down the side, basically the C3 Stingray. Awesome vehicles. 69, one of the best years. Why? It's because when I was born. And I've always wanted a 69. I've always wanted a 69 with a 427. This is an awesome car. That's all I can say. If you've enjoyed what you've seen thus far, we appreciate you joining us. Hit the like button down below. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And if you would, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Chris with Legendary Customs based out of La Crosse, Wisconsin, saying thank you for joining us. And if you have something that's sitting in your garage, like this one was for the last 17 years, call us up. We'll see what we can do about getting it into the schedule and getting it back on the road for you so it's safe and drivable and you can make more memories. Again, Chris, we're out of here. Appreciate it. Beautiful car.